The problems I'd been experiencing prior to having the Lipogems procedure related to ligament trouble on the inside of my knee. This related to operations that I'd had some 40 years previously as a result of sporting injuries. At the time, these operations actually cured the immediate problem, but over a period of time there'd been a deterioration, and I was advised that the only solution was to have replacement knees, which is a route that I really did not wish to follow. Because running and sporting activities have been a major part of my life since my early teens, to be restricted in what I was able to do had a major depressing effect on me. Following the Lipogems procedure, I felt a relief, a sense of relief that things were moving in the right direction and those restrictions were gradually going to disappear. Prior to having the Lipogems procedure, I would say that the discomfort levels were actually quite high, particularly when I was attempting to run. After the Lipogems procedure, those discomfort levels were reduced, and the reduction was a slow but gradual effect over a period of months. And after a number of months, it was a significant decrease. I do feel that with the Lipogems procedure, especially when compared to the other possibilities, that the money that I spent having the procedure done was well spent. If I was given the situation again, I would make the same decision.